Some of our most popular adapters are the CBF520 line, or as you may know them, adapters with 4 household outlets and circuit breakers built in. And when we first started with these, we had it so each set of duplex household outlets got a 20 amp breaker. But after some customer feedback, we made a change to make this even better. Stick around to find out what that change is. Hi, I'm Chris and welcome back to AC Connectors. Today we're going to cover our product update for our CBF520 line. But before we get into the details of that, let's kind of just go back over how these work. Every single one of our CBF520 adapters is made with a 10 gauge wire. So even if you are pulling from an outlet that works higher than 30 amps, which is what 10 gauge is rated for, it's only going to pull 30 amps. And then another thing that most people don't know is that it operates with 2 hot wires. So one hot wire from the plug operates this side, the other hot wire operates this side. And each hot wire is rated for up to 30 amps. So before, when we had these, the circuit breakers would trip at about 20 amps. But now we've updated it so it'll trip at 24 amps. So an example we come across pretty often is with flood restoration use or with heaters. A lot of those heaters will run at 12 amps a piece. So before, you could only go one 12 amp heater on this side, another one on this side, because if you put 2 on one side, that would be 24 amps and the 20 amp breaker would trip them. But now that we have 24 amp breakers, you could run 4 of those heaters off of this one adapter. And then just one more thing to note, if you are pulling from a power source that's only rated for 20 amps, then that's all it's going to be able to work with is just 20 amps. If you have any questions about this product or any others, please leave us a comment down below. Otherwise, be sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.